How's it going, guys? If you couldn't tell by all this kit in front of me, we're installing the intake today. I know what you're thinking. You said it's been coming for a while. I did order one, and it came, and I ordered the wrong one, as you can see in this clip here. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we are installing a RAMAIR filter. You probably can't read that. Yes, it's time. We're putting a I'm installing a RAMAIR filter, a cold air intake to the Scirocco, so something will happen. Look, I was speaking to my friend. I'm trying to get the car stage 1. He highly recommended getting an intake before doing stage 1 just to maximise the stage 1. So we're going to try and do that today. I have had a look at a couple of videos online, however none of them were helpful. So we're pretty much winging it yet again, and hopefully it goes well. Right, yes, I have the RAMAIR So I've got the RAMAIR cold air intake, and we're going to be trying to install it in this Scirocco. Now, there could be a few issues, because obviously this Scirocco is 2016, it is the facelift model, and I've heard that there are always problems when installing gear into the facelift models. But nonetheless, we're going to try and see how long before we fuck it up. So yeah, let's get this all unpacked.
A few moments later.
Despite me checking the compatibility, this does not fit in my car. And I cannot make it fit without breaking stuff. And I don't want to break these, because I'm about to return them.
One eternity later.
So, yeah. I sent it back fine. No issues, got the correct one. I'm really hoping I've got the correct one this time. Because if I've messed it up twice, then I give up. But yeah, let's try and get this installed without breaking too many things. Right guys, you know the drill by now. I, once again, don't really know what I'm doing. I have watched a video. It wasn't a very good one. It was just some guy recording his car while someone else installed it. So I kind of know roughly what needs doing, but at the same time, I have no idea how to do it all. Alright, we're going to start by removing this. So the next step is going to be taking off the actual engine cover. To do that, I'm going to need to unclip some things. Get that out of the way. I'm going to take this off. Need to unclip it down there. Right, I haven't used this tool yet, so this is going to be fun. Right, I managed to get this out. It was just kind of... I don't really know how it was attached, but I just pulled it quite hard and it came out. So yeah, this can now go. Right, let's have a look. So down the bottom of here is a clip, which I'm going to need to undo. There we are. Right, and now I need to undo this clip here. Right, I don't know if you'll really be able to see, but that down there is actually the turbo. That pipe leads into the turbo, and that's what we're going to be plugging everything into. So the tube's going to come up along the back, down there, and then into the air filter down there. Let's do it! Right, you're not really going to be able to see this very well, but I've got to put this in the turbo thing. Oh, shit. Right, I'm not gonna lie, I've been doing this for about an hour and I've made no progress. I was getting super confused, and it's because I put this into where the turbo goes, and that was wrong. This, which is already in there, I think stays in there, and I don't know if I need something else, but if I do, they haven't supplied it. So fuck it, we're gonna make it work. Yeah, that's it.
2 hours later.
I'm an actual idiot. So I'd use this one. There's also this one, which is smaller. It goes onto it, and it was hidden inside one of the bigger tubes, which is why I couldn't find it. I'm literally, it's so hot today, man. And I haven't been smart. I've been driving this morning, so the engine bay is also hot. And it's just all going wrong. But anyway, let's chuck this in, hose clamp it, and yeah, move on. Right, so I got the silicone thing installed on the turbo and tightened up. It was a bitch to tighten up because you can see that the screw to do it is down there. That was a pain. Another issue I'm facing is this rear heat shield. It's meant to go here, but I don't know how I'm meant to remove these because it's not like they're Allen key or star key or whatever. They're just circles, and I can't grip them, I can't pull them off. So I may just say fuck it and not use the heat shield. But we'll find out. I'm going to try and install some other parts first and then come back to that and worry about it later. I've already removed the MAF sensor, so I pulled it out of there, and where is it? I've lost it. Oh, it's right here. Put it in there. But yeah, let me chuck some other bits in and update you in a bit. Right, another quick update. I've just put this heat shield in down here, but I didn't have any rubber feet. So what I did is I actually cut them off the back up here, which is what I meant to screw the heatsink into. So they need to be removed anyway. I just now need to figure out how to get them out. Right, as you can see, it's starting to come along. We've got that going in there. Now there'll be an L pipe there, coming down another L pipe, and then the actual filter down there. I have scrapped, where is it? I've scrapped the rear heat shield because I can't get it to fit. I can't get these off. I can't get these off to screw them in, so I'm just scrapping it. It should be fine. We'll find out. Right, look at this bad boy. This is the air filter. You can see it says RAMAIR on it. Annoyingly, it's upside down. But, fuck it. It's going to be under the hood, so no one really cares. Right, that is now all installed. As you can see, because I don't have the rear heat shield, this does sag. But honestly, I don't think it's going to be much of an issue. It's still kind of flimsy, but oh shit, we'll ignore that. It should be okay. If I need to, I can try and find something to prop it up. Tightened all the hose clamps, they should be fine. And yeah, let's plug in the MAF sensor and whatever the fuck cable's called. This one. And start up and see. I can't believe how good that sounds. Like, it sounded good before. I should have recorded a clip from before, but I I didn't, not stationary anyway. But that sounds incredible. The purge on it is just sounds like fucking sounds like Darth Vader in there. I am stoked at that. That's come out so well, and I'm super happy. It's a shame about the rear shield, the heat shield, the rear heat shield, because I don't know what I can do for that. But yeah, it kind of is what it is.
3 weeks later.
To get them off, we had to use this massive socket. It's absolutely huge. Obviously an adapter for the ratchet. But yeah, they're now out, so let's whack the heat shield in. Right, because I'm doing the heat shield afterwards, I've put these covers on too far, because this bit is meant to sit on the bridge that it's got there, because this currently doesn't reach anywhere near it. So I've got to slide these out and just kind of shimmy it, and it should fit. So real quick, we've taken this out, and we're going to cut down the PVC, not PVC, but we're going to cut down the plastic tube on this side, just so it all shifts left a bit, and then this should sit nicely on there. Cool, that is all now in and secure. Still a little bit loose over here, but that's fine as what it is. Everything else is sturdy. Yeah, cool. That is it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Yeah, this was a pain, I'll be honest. Starting it was hard. Once we'd started and got there, then it was good. The rest was easy, everything slots together. But you know, you come across issues like I couldn't get the back plate in because I couldn't unscrew what was previously there. Stuff like this happens. I know it's going to happen. It's part of doing this. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm figuring it all out. But it's fun. It's good. And yeah, hopefully I'll get it lowered in stage 1 soon, and then it'll be a completely different car. It sounds amazing. I'm super happy with it. I can't wait to be out on the road with it. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Rock out with the crock out.